Instant Buttons. This application is great for those people who like soundboards, and it allows you to add widgets to your home screen. And here are my favorite soundboards out of the many. Let's go to Buttons. And you can see here, look at that little cursor, so you can keep going down and down and down. There's quite a few, guys. There's a lot of popular things. I bet you guys, if you guys are born in the early 90s, late 80s, you guys are going to totally know what these are. Even newer people are going to know what they are, but they're really cool. And let me just go back to my favorites, and you can see there's noises there. So another cool thing about this, you can set these as ringtones or notifications for text messages by holding them down and save as ringtone, change color, or whatever. I already have it on my home, and here are the buttons. Hanging out with friends and someone's talking a lot and I just want to say, shut up. I didn't have to speak. All I had to do is open my phone and press, shut up. Pretty cool, instant. Let's say I'm in a group with friends and no one's talking, and all of a sudden, yeah, there's many things you can play around with it. And I'm about to fight someone, do my finishing move, and then, so yeah, you get the point.